Top stories. Gunman opens fire at entrance of Reims, Gynae Wood. Man injured. Gunman arrested. Land for Manipur University of Culture acquired. Appointment of regular VC under process, informed Minister L. Jayantakumar. And IF Hero Wing Commander Abhinandan on Indian soil, likely to appear on media for official briefing this evening. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. The news read by HARIPRIYA. Now let's have the news in details. One person was injured when a gunman opened fire at the entrance gate number 2 of Gynae Wood of Regional Institute of Medical Science, Reims. Following a scuffle between the gunman and the security guard on duty around 9:30 last night. The gunman was identified as one Thokchom Romesh, aged 43 years, son of T.H. Khomei of Khurai Soibam Lekai. Police later arrested him over the incident. The injured was identified as lamjingbatomtv, aged 25 years, son of T.H. Ingocha from Hebong Pokpi Mayai Lekai. He received gunshot injury in the left hand. He was given immediate treatment at Reims casualty. A police report said the attackers were coming to visit the wife sister in cabin number 1, Unit 2 of Gynae Wood when the security guard named Sorikhaibam Priyochan from Iram Sifai stopped him for entering, there telling him that it was very late. There was some argument between the two before Romesh forcibly entered inside the gate and pulled out .22 revolver and fired one shot at Priyochan in a fit of wrath, but the bullet missed its target. The bullet instead hit the left hand of Chinglemba. He was there to attend his wife, who was undergoing treatment at the Gynae Wood. Police said Romesh fled the site after the shooting before he was arrested by a police team near Classic Hotel at North AOC around 11:30 p.m. The police team was led by Imphal West Police Additional Superintendent of Police Law and Order Hemanta and SDPO Joyras Yumnam. One .22 revolver, 7 live rounds, 1 empty cash and 1 gun license were recovered from the possession of Romesh, who is now in the custody of Lumphel Police Station. An FIR has been registered over the incident under IPC Section 307, 326 and 27 Arms Act, and investigation are on. Victims of the incident, Thaudam Chinglemba, narrated the incident to Tom TV.
I pigi delivery can lack ne. The Manung the Sing Pishan Changba. The Dangpung Mapan Makai died away. The Zikinupa Pung Adai the Chang Bayadre and Nupa Chang Bayada waiting bedo. The security Nupa Mamas one Manung Changbagi Ting Beduda. Yadi and the security among Pusalaga, Changi Vita Namdana, Changraga, Mana Tolokpa, the Sing Pishanba, as one Sing Valley, Sing Poro, and Sing Pisham Zangba, as the Sing Lanarina, Zinupasina, no make up Tropa. Manung the Gi, Mana Manung the Inam Pandai Changpa, as the Captropony.
Manipur Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar today informed the State Assembly that the process for appointment of Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture is underway, and that the government has identified a proper land area for construction of the varsity office building at Wakha within Imphal East. This came after Congress MLA Suresh Kumar Okram sought details of the varsity in the House during question hour. Jayantakumar said that land measuring about 118 acres has been kept reserved for the purpose. For this, he said a detailed project report, DPR, with an estimated cost of around Rs 250 crore has been submitted to the center, which is likely to be approved and sanctioned soon. As soon As the forest clearance is obtained, construction of the office building will be started, Jayanti Kumar further informed. The minister also said the RN Culture Commissioner is currently serving as the VC in charge of the varsity. He said that efforts are on to commence the postgraduate course from 2020 to 2021 in the varsity. Former President of Icham, Nongthombam Rajendra, today donated rupees 15,000 along with food items to one Ningombam Pikpi and her daughter, both mentally challenged person from Huidrom Awang Lekai, Sekta Lamkhai under Imphal East District. The mother-daughter duo has been taking shelter at the house of Ningombam Sanatombiok Huidrom Awang Lekai as they do not have their own house. And Rajendra assured that he will build a house for them soon. Rajendra also handed Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gitengbang CHMT card to them and ensured that they get all benefits provided by the state government under the scheme. Rajendra visited the house along with officers of Social Welfare Department.
Lising koi ni accounts me koi sanganaba adumana koi atana jare adum leire adu yum sima koi thuna koi gi yumam thom khopse koi lekai na torga hayeng dagi hobi gera hangti dagi hobi gera adum hobiro sini koi gi kitang kari media me amna ISTV impact adu maru ina tom TV akoi mioi bada ekta putor ko matam da puning tok ekta lawba adu sigum bazem urkan da kari no khoi taibang mi si pura sa da kwai sathiba sa makhal amra wakhan khanmang am mi ri oiraga khoi si simaina ga ulukpa kan si da khoi mi si chum kijer ko haitare khoi da ko lair kan mamang uram da pose handa ke lengak sina khara khungang da chapra ko pa lakpi da ki mayamna nuksi bidina lengak sida sigum bazem mateng pang puthok pirak pose masi khwai da gi khoi gona laik phabani makhata na su media singna sigum thodang se koi lobira kan Manipur leiribe any elected person adu club organization mayam na sigum mateng pamung amna gi thona ma media na happy bse masi mai ai gi site gi ne thag phongdok sari khudum akoi ne any festival ma mang khoi be simai tawduna leite laira awana kaisu khangjadaba mit tanglaba mayang mimana dro moi gisu nomo khaktan kaithok piraga makhuju taibang mini akoi gi merakta leibe mini na khalaga nomo tangdi mateng pangthok piraga makhoi awaba se konsi.
The Eastern Tangkhul Nagalung today carried out a rally at Kamjong headquarters during which the body submitted a memorandum to chairman of the ceasefire monitoring group, Government of India, demanding immediate transfer of commanding officer Ajay Kumar of 31 Assam Rifles and action against Field Intelligence Unit, then Sector I, GAR South, Deputy Commandant I.R. Singh Maitei for allegedly terrorizing the Naga populace. The memorandum stated that the people of the area have repeatedly communicated with Colonel Ajay Kumar to push back cadres of Kuki National Army, KNA, Kuki National Organization, KNO, from the region to their designated camp. The memorandum also stated that KNA, KNO cadres are operating freely with full arms in and around Kamjong region, causing inconveniences to the movement of civilians. The memorandum was jointly signed by Vice Chairman of Eastern Tangkhul Nagalung, KT Thongtringa, President of Sambu Riping Organization, A.S. Nathan, President of Horizon Student Union, C. Yarmatai, and leaders of other organizations. And now let's have a short break, so stay with
Group na Manipur Lairiba Assembly Constituency Humpudagi Mathauda Pukning Changba Public Relationship Executive Post ki Mioi Amamam Lagzagadori Mahigi Thak Yamdrabada Graduation Oigadabani Akupa Marol Gidama Contact Tobiro at 131-944-063 Amukasu at 131-944-063 Aikoi address Lamjingba Group Rims Road Imphal phone number at 131-944-063
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cap service oriba lamjingba cap service na miyam gi sebada leizari apamba service khanbiu economy rate ₹15 per kilometer, standard rate ₹25 per kilometer, luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer, Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobiro 1800 1027 959 amadi 8794613154. Ekhogi website www.lamjingbacap.com.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari. Miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw lobi. Ngasi muglengchin biroksi mobile furniture Coapitel near Infal Quarters.
Welcome back. Jiribam police have imposed strict restriction on entry of illegal migrants into the state. 50 new checkposts have been set up by the Jiribam police under the supervision of Superintendent of Police M. Mobi. 5 checkposts have been set up along Kalinagar-Lakhiram road, 1 at Ningthemban, 3 along Moljon-Sotobekra road, besides Kaplechan, Waigoti and Borobekra. 50 police personnel have been deployed at this checkpost to monitor movement of illegal migrants from neighboring state Assam to Jiribam. People who cannot speak Manipuri and do not possess proper documents like voter cards were sent back by the police. With the shadow of the ensuing Lok Sabha polls drawing closer, there are reports that some sections of the people are demanding a white paper from the MPs from Manipur on the MP Local Area Development Fund. It may be mentioned that Dr. T. Mania is currently serving his 3rd term as MP of Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, while Thangso Baite being the MP of Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency. Both leaders are from Congress. KSS Babananda, who is the president of Manipur BJP, is representing the state as MP in the Rajya Sabha. As boxer MC Mary Kom is also the MP of the upper house, but she does not belong to any political outfit. Notably, the centre allocates Rs 5 crore every year as the MP Local Area Development Fund. However, the question as to where this money has gone still hangs in the air. A team of Imphal West District Police today conducted such operation in and around Sagolban, Jiri Parking and Wahingbam Lekai areas under the jurisdiction of City Police as part of the security measures taken up to avoid unwanted incidents in the city. A total of 521 persons were verified, while 20 people who did not produce proper documents were detained at the City Police for further verification. Considering the ongoing tension over the encroachment of land by some individuals at the allocated site for construction of Manipur Bhawan in Silchar, a banner that reads protected area that been put up at the site to clear the impasse. The step has been taken up after a team comprising of members of all Assam Manipur Student Union and Paola Club, Rangpur paid an inspection visit to the site. Former president of AM Su Manauton, who took part in the visit, said that there is a speculation that the land bought by the state government for construction of Manipur Bhawan may no longer exist there if the construction work is not started at the earliest.
Asida Manipur Bhavan ama sadaba yadaba condition lakuna amsu amadi tongan ba organization mayamgi issue asina maram origa government of Manipur nasu yabiduna Rangpur gi hairiba mafam asida akoi tongan ba organization sing Rangpur gi sinau sing amsuna honaba matung ina mafam asida bhavan sanana balam ase akoina lahon jagibni adubu laibak thibidi asukuiba matam ase bhavan sani haiduna kasar amadi amsugi mafam na thajaba thamlaga su ngasi phawba bhavan sadaduna tongan ba Manipur gi isinau singna makhoi gi oiba interest ta hairiba mafam asida sanglaktuna makhoi gi oiba lamni haiduna ngasi bhavan sabagi thabak asi tongana thambire hairiga makhoina lanai gi oina
Department of Plant Pathology, College of Agriculture, KAU, in collaboration with Precision Farming Development Center, PFDC, KAU Lamphel Center, under the aegis of Department of Science and Technology, organized a one-day hand-on training cum demonstration program on trichoderma mass production at Central Agriculture University, Irisamba today. Assistant Professor of Plant Pathology, KAU, Dr. Bireshwar Sinha, spoke on the importance of trichoderma in plant disease management and its requirement of mass production in large scale by the farmers. A total of 50 farmers from Ngamukong, Hainopok and Thoubal took part in the training program. Friends bean seed, trichoderma and pesticide were also distributed to the farmers during the program. In a high-level committee meeting chaired by Home Minister Rajnath Singh held at New Delhi today, the center had decided to help natural disaster-stricken states including Manipur and for the purpose. The necessary amount had also been taken from the National Disaster Response Fund under the National Disaster Response Force. An amount of rupees 1,600 crore has been sanctioned to provide help to states like Manipur, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand and Rajasthan. On the other hand, more than rupees 1,200 crore has been sanctioned as drought relief resistant for Rajasthan, along with another more than rupees 272 crore for Jharkhand state, while cyclone affected Andhra Pradesh got a share of rupees 83 crore and rupees 42 crore was sanctioned for flood-stricken Manipur. The meeting also discussed on providing relief to 4 states which are affected by floods, landslide, cyclone and drought during the year 2018 and 2019 under the Central Assistance Fund. And now let's have a short break.
Eris Tower, restaurant, cafe, banquet hall with live music brings you the best dining experience in town with the young, energetic and charming staff. Our specialties: Indian, Thai, Italian pasta, dumpling, dessert, burger.
We are open at 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Advance booking for events, conferences and party. 50+ covers. Kindly contact us at 9612719966. Address Uri Pokhuidrom Leka, UK Road, opposite Petrol Pump. Eris Tower since 2002.
Manipur Kundariba, Maitai Mitai Kagnatana, Atai Yellow Furupunamak, Scheduled Tribe list they are on the Lagli. Makoina Kundariba Mapam Singda, Scheduled Tribe Nataba, Mio Singna, Kundaba Natraka Port Lepa Yadi Ibagi, Akan Manga Law Constitution Appeal.
Maitai Mitai Singh Namna Kundariba, Tampaki Amba Sarukti, Sambal Kadaba Inkol Gumbani, Mitop Singh Kunda Silakpa, Lamgi Mapush Lakpamadi, MLA for Bush Laglabani, Punama Sibutingonaba, quite in the note to pay Lambidi, Maitai Mitaina, Scheduled Tribe list of our wives. Hariwo Farmers de Yumpamuraga, Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, Nasif Obada, Konjanka Sanction Lag.
Bharat ki Ministry of Tribal Affairs na Manipur Lengakta recommendation Tharanaba, Kangala Palekre. High river recommendation adu Thabiu Hain Taxiladuna. Hoki Basahi 2016 gi September gi Tang Tarani Panda. Miyam gi Oba Asoba Wakat Kongset Ama Mioi Lak Amagama Kai Manasaki.
Manipur Lengang Nasi Powder. Mitai Fruki, Hing Batami Matang the Tumina Lisili. Maramaduna, Amukana Miami at Choba Kongsetama, Lakiva Marski Tarik Ohum no Majin Numit, Ayuki Puntara Taba, Matamda, Miam Punna Tau Ground, Tamai Bandagi Horaga, Miami at Choba Pen the Bagi Kongsetama, Konung Lampak Powers Kadori. I call you Frukitungi, Mirolgidamak Adomsu, Wakat Kongset Sida Surgiabi.
Panthoibi embroidery da Hausi Hausik Miam na Yam na Pamna Riba, top, blouse, fanek, sengau, porloy amadi kangkhal na chingba, luhong bada changba khudingmag amadi, nupi oibi singi akemawgi potlam khudingmag, ahongba mamalda fangbiragani, loinana, order su luxury. Lengsin birao ngasimag, Panthoibi embroidery, Sagolban, Khamnam Bazaar, opposite Oriental College, Imphal. Contact number 700-540-2267.
The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Welcome back. Indian Air Force Wing Commander Abhinandan Varthaman on Indian soil now. The IAF hero was escorted to Atakari checkpost in Amritsar by Indian High Commission officials. Wing Commander Abhinandan will appear on media soon for an official news briefing. However, the Indian Defence Forces will continue to remain on high alert across the border despite IAF pilot Abhinandan Varthaman returns from Pakistan. The convoy to take Wing Commander Abhinandan Varthaman from integrated checkpost at the border to the airport is currently on standby. The IAF pilot will be flown to New Delhi from Amritsar. Meanwhile, 2 terrorists have been killed in encounter at Kupwara in Jammu and Kashmir. On the other hand, Foreign Minister Shah Mohammad Qureshi has admitted that Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar is in Pakistan and is unwell, but said the government can act against him only if India presents solid and inalienable evidence that can stand in a court of law. His remark came amid heightened tension between India and Pakistan after the February 14 terror attack by Pakistan-based Jaish-e-Mohammed (JEM) in Pulwama that left 40 CRPF personnel dead. The US State Department has said that Osama bin Laden, son of Osama bin Laden, is emerging as a leader in Al-Qaeda, is willing to pay up to $1,000 million for information on his whereabouts. Osama bin Laden, whose father was killed by US Navy SEALs in Pakistan in 2011, is taking the reins of the terror group. Assam state government has launched a scheme for making militants explore self-employment avenues. CM Sarbananda Sonowal had ceremonially distributed sanction letters for disbursal of loan by nationalized bank along with government subsidy to surrender cadres of different insurgent groups of the state under Sobala Lambam scheme, Home and AMP. Political Department of Government of Assam introduced the financial assistance to promote self-employment and will benefit 508 surrendered cadre. Sonowal urged the surrendered militants to devote their energy on positive works and emerge as a strong force for development of the state. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Chief Minister claims significant changes in police discipline. Government yet to sanction prosecution in fake encounter cases. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister regrets failure to implement police transfer policy. Bid to storm assembly foil. Prepaid counters lock. Only 920 MBBS seats added in 5 years against 10,000 approved. RTI. Imphal Free Press. Manipur police would be equipped with sniper rifles, says Chief Minister Biren. Court transfers Satyabhama murder case to fast-track court. Inmates are kept at separate cells. Jail is not recruiting place for insurgents. Importance of Urdu language stress. MPP appeals for support in upcoming election. The Morning Bell. Ex gratia given to kin of electrocuted Technopole victim, says Power Minister. Interactive session of Urdu Arabic held at City. Wi-Fi Cultural Fest All-Land held at New Lamka. Assam Rifles donates weaving machines to Andhra Group. Manipur Mail. Governor wants Urdu to become language of the masses. Electricity victim compensated, says Biswajit.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Gunman opens fire at entrance of Reams Gynae Ward. Man injured, gunman arrested. Land for Manipur University of Culture Aqua. Appointment of regular VC under process, informed Minister L. Jayantakumar. And IAF Hero Wing Commander Abhinandan on Indian soil, likely to appear on media for official briefing this evening. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.